This is the review for the S&P for Friday, November 15th, and we'll get started right into it. This is our map subscription where we post. You can see it's time stamped with the date and the time. This is this morning, 11:15 at 6:18, and you can see that I cannot edit these posts or go back and change the time or anything in the post. These are in there once they're in there. So we said a few things. It's not out of the question that we pull back into the 90s. And that could happen from 09.5 or 13.25. And if buying is heavy, we could totally see into the 20s. And if it's really strong, into the 30s. Now, we had given all of our prices ahead of time, and we said the prices here, 04.5, much below that, could get us back to 98.75. And then if you look right here at 6:32, my plan is buying the pullback unless or until 4.5 breaks. Then we will see if we can get short with small risk down to 98 and then buying down there. So over here, this is this blue line right here. We're looking for this area to hold to get us up into 13.25 and eventually up into 18 and even possibly higher. So what happens is we did in fact come down here. This low was 13.25, which is, or sorry, 03.25. Which is not low enough for this to be a break. So this is a probe, the way that we trade and the rules that we use. So this is a probe. And we were buying here at 04.5 up to 09.5. That's 5 points or $250 in profit. And then buying here again. These are all prediction points that we gave ahead of time. And then buying here again. This is 07.25 for 13.25. Now, this was the all-time high before the market had come over here and broke through here. We gave these prices. There was a high back over here in the overnight, and then, but we hadn't been up. We'd never been up to this blue line, which was our CPA from today. So we bought 07.25 for 13.25. That's 6 points or $300 per contract. That's this move. And then this move right here, we were buying 13.25 up to 31.18. That's 4.75 points or $237.50 in profit. And you can see here clearly, market came up, played around this price, and then pushed higher. And just one last thing to point out, we did say right here, at 8:47, we said also that shouldn't be high enough yet. But it's Friday, so be aware of that. So that was at 8:47. And if you go here and you look at what happened, this was 8:47 right here. And this was the probe at the time, and we said it wasn't high enough. So what does that tell you? It means you're buying the pullbacks. So there was a lot of opportunity in here, but particularly this trade, last trade of the day here, moving up here to 18. All right, so 3 real easy trades, buying 04.5, that's $250. This is $300, and this one is $237. So fairly easy on these 3 trades. There's more opportunity, and some of you that are in MAP definitely got some of that other opportunity, but pretty easy, straightforward 3 trades here for today. If you have questions, feel free to shoot us an email, and you can sign up for MAP. The link is below here.